Come with us as we go to Costa Maya and go behind the scenes for the Dance of the Flyers. This is a traditional Mexican ritual where performers climb a tall pole, tie themselves with ropes, and swing around as they descend to the ground.
But they're spinning with their feet. So that rope is going around. See, I guess that rope. Ah, yep, that's what keeps them coming. Okay.
Make sure your leg is hooked on, you know.
So let's give them a couple of minutes of silence, please.
Let's listen in as we hear what they really talk about during this moment of silence.
Hey man, my old lady, man, she never shuts up, you know. Mine either. It's like she's like always like, I need this and I need that, you know. Always something I gotta do, you know. Always barking down my back. Just hang me, you know, hang me.
There they go. He's playing the drum the whole time.
Yeah, the other one's playing the whistle.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, hey, he's playing the whistle.
He's playing both, yeah.
And the Flyers as a tangible cultural heritage of humanity.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.